always touch me.
I always want to be touched.
I can always touch you. I love touching.
She doesn't like you.
That's what you think.
I wonder.
Mom, there's something I don't know. Huh?
Hey, John, she's. We're pushing. When you're ready, we can give you. I think they can be part of the script writing more. And they can say, yeah, we can just tell them what we. You can't change it.
Yeah.
When you do the scripts, you guys can say.
Yeah, we're not going to write scripts now.
Yeah, they would write.
We're going to tell them.
No, right, we'll improvise.
Man,
No.
you wonder.
We're going to be there.
Kilo kitata ibig wala
They're
fizo.
going to write themselves.
We tell you, Guti, you and me will have a conversation. I'll slap you, and then we'll figure out what we say in between those lines. But we'll tell you what's happening in the room. I think we must wait for Kulu to go to bed before we have sex. Tricks, eh?
Even coming from you, I'm shocked. I'm shocked coming from you.
Trixie, I want Trixie to
You know who's laughing right now? You know exactly.
I know.
She's laughing. I know.
I'm like, let's go to bed. So we're acting, yeah, no. You know, actors, acting, like if you're married, your husband knows, Uguti. You're not doing it for real, you're acting. It's acting. So I'm asking Trixie, Uguti, do we have sex before when Kulu must wait for Kulu to sleep or when she's awake? There must be romance. I asked big sister, like, oh, yes. So,
No, we're not big sisters.
Hey,
too much.
She left from the back. So I'm going to pull your hair. Yeah. Okay, Trixie, thank you.
Instead of us discussing the script.
The sex scene, we have sex scene. Ask Big Brother. And we're going to have a sex scene.
Oh, it's allowed.
He keeps on mentioning we can have a lot of sex.
He's emphasizing that.
Yes, but you have time.